If you're a Mini fan, you know hot hatches aren't just about speed, they're about fun. And few cars leaned into that idea harder than the Hyundai Veloster N. With its offbeat styling, punchy turbo engine, and playful handling, the Veloster N proved Hyundai was serious about performance and had a sense of humor too. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about one of the quirkiest, coolest hot hatches of the last decade. Did you know the Veloster N was the very first Hyundai N model sold in North America? It introduced American drivers to Hyundai's new performance division led by Albert Biermann, the former boss of BMW M. And it hit the ground running with a 250 horsepower base model, 275 horsepower with the performance pack, and a 6-speed manual only. Did you know the Veloster N has an asymmetrical 3-door layout? There's one long door on the driver's side and 2 doors on the passenger side. One front, one rear, it's part coupe, part hatchback, and totally weird in the best way. It's like if a Mini Clubman and a hot hatch had a rebellious teenager. Did you know the Veloster N comes with a multi-mode active exhaust that crackles and pops like a rally car? In N mode, it's loud, rowdy, and completely unapologetic. It's the kind of sound that makes you grin every time you lift off the throttle, and the kind of thing you never expect from a Hyundai. Did you know the Veloster N came standard with features like rev matching, launch control, an electronic limited slip diff, and adjustable dampers? It's not just a sporty commuter, it was designed for real track use, tuned on the Nürburgring, and ready to party. Kind of like a Mini JCW, but with a bit more hooligan baked in. Did you know the success of the Veloster N directly led to cars like the Elantra N, Kona N, and i30N expanding globally? It proved that Hyundai could make performance cars that enthusiasts actually wanted, and while the Veloster N is now discontinued, its legacy lives on in every N badge that came after. So no, it's not a Mini, but the Veloster N shares that same sense of fun, character, and manual gearbox joy. If you're into cars that don't take themselves too seriously but still know how to rip up a back road, this little oddball deserves your respect. Smash that like button if you're cheering for the underdogs, and subscribe for more fun, fast, and enthusiast-approved rides every week.